The cabin air filter in your 2022-2025 VW Taos is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, ensure the vehicle is off and keys removed. Open the glove box. You'll need to detach the damper arm or any clips holding it in place. Gently lower the glove box. You might need to squeeze the sides to fully release it. Once lowered, you'll see a plastic housing. Slide this housing forward and upward to remove it, exposing the cabin air filter. This usually requires no tools. Remember to work in a clean environment to prevent debris from entering the system. With the old filter removed, inspect it for dirt and debris. Note the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. The new filter must be installed in the same orientation. Insert the new filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow matches the original direction. Slide the housing back into its original position behind the glove box. Reattach any clips or the damper arm to the glove box. Finally, close the glove box. Volkswagen recommends replacing the filter every 15,000 miles or annually. Regularly replacing the filter improves air quality and HVAC system efficiency.